CVIS 101. As I am grading your first Office 2010 homework for Word Chapter 1, there's some things that I'm finding out that I want to clarify for homework this week. As you all know, you should be reading the instructor notes that I send every week to your My Hancock email. Believe it or not, there's some mistakes that are happening that lead me to believe that there's people that are not reading the instructor notes. So that's just a reminder. Also, under the assignments, you'll find the assignment sheets. I also found out people that are submitting me files that I did not request, or submitting them to me in a way different than I requested. So I'm going over the assignment section, clicking on assignment sheets so that it takes me to where you guys need to go every week. And so as you can see, there is a folder for Microsoft Word, and for as long as we are working in Word, this folder is going to be there. Now I'm going to use as an example the assignment that was due that can no longer be submitted, and that's for Word Chapter 1. Notice that assignment module is not available. Chapter 2 and Chapter 3 are, but I'm going to show you how to read the assignment sheet from here. I clicked on the link for the assignment sheet, and as you can tell, if you start reading from the beginning, you're going to read the chapter, you're going to complete projects A and B on your own, and you will not submit these files. But these projects are important because the main content of the material is covered there. My IT Lab, the project assumes that you did projects A and B. Then you're going to create a folder called Portfolio, and in that folder, you're going to save all the work that you do for that chapter. In this case, Chapter 1. Now, the project listed on the table below, notice the table says project. In this case, it was project I. That is the project that you're going to submit to me through Blackboard. So notice that you're going to complete that project, and then when you're done with the project, you're going to go to that file in your computer or on your USB, right click on that file, and then follow the instructions to make this file a compressed folder. So notice that you're going to end up with a file that it's going to be a compressed file that is going to have the same name as the project, and it's going to be the project compressed. And you're going to take that file, which is going to be a .zip, and submit that compressed folder through Blackboard assignment module. So basically, you would have sent me project I, that file, as a zip file. I have people that are sending me the document as a Word document, and I requested that it is sent to me as a compressed file. If you have any questions about this process, please email me. It is covered in the Windows booklet, and if you need me to go over the steps with you, then I could certainly do that. But I will not accept any files that are not the ones that I am requesting. Following instructions is a very important part of this class. And so notice that for now, those are most of the errors that I've seen on file submissions. People either sending me projects that were not assigned, or sending me the file for the project without it being compressed. And it might not seem like a big deal right now, but when we're dealing with databases and other bigger files, it's gonna be a big problem for Blackboard to have to spend time downloading those files. So please submit the files the way that I request them to be submitted, and send me the files that I asked for, which are the files under the table. Okay, and then of course, after you go through the Blackboard portion, you know that you still have the My IT Lab portion, and you can check the class schedule to see the deadlines for Blackboard and then for My IT Lab for those projects. So email me if there's any other questions. You guys have a great week.